Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by securing your data and creating a safe test environment. First, save open tabs and export bookmarks so nothing is lost. Then check Chrome and OS updates and confirm at least 10% free disk space, because low space can crash processes. Once done, disable all extensions and run Chrome in a guest or incognito profile to see if an extension or profile corruption causes the shutdowns. This isolates the cause quickly and lets you proceed confidently. Now you dig into technical causes. Open the System Task Manager and Chrome's built-in Task Manager to identify high memory or GPU processes, end offending Chrome. EXE tasks to see immediate effect. Next, run the Chrome Cleanup tool or reset Chrome settings to defaults and perform a full malware scan with a trusted antivirus. Malicious helpers often force closures. If problems persist, create a fresh Chrome profile and launch with no extensions or experimental flags. This narrows whether settings, extensions, or profile corruption are to blame. To finish, perform a clean reinstall. Uninstall Chrome, manually remove the user data directory, then reinstall the latest stable build. This replaces damaged binaries and corrupt configs. Make sure to toggle hardware acceleration and update GPU drivers because driver conflicts commonly crash the renderer. If needed, use an alternate browser while diagnosing. If crashes continue, collect Chrome crash logs and start Windows or Mac OS in safe mode to test without third-party drivers. Troubleshooting tip: if safe mode stops crashes, focus.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.